Pattycakes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey, I'm Patricia. Or should I say good morning, Pattycakes. It is 11 a.m. right now, and we are officially beginning vacation prep. Oh my goodness. Y'all, when I tell you, I am literally in a desperate need of a vacation, and that's what we're about to get into next week. But for right now, we're just doing prep, which includes like, you know, getting my hair done, doing my nails, shaving, cleaning the house. If y'all don't clean the house before going on a vacation, I don't know what to say. We're not doing everything in like the same day though. I wish I could, but we're gonna be doing it across a couple days. But for today, we're doing my nails. Look at these, they're hideous. I did go on Pinterest to try to find like some inspo, and I am going to show you what we got. Like, isn't this so cute? I think I may get this though. This just, it's screaming me. Or this one. This one's cool too. Very indecisive. But we got options. I'm not going to a nail salon though. I'm trying to like save money and budget. So I'm going to David's sister's spot, and she's gonna do my nails because she used to work at a nail salon. And with that being said, let's get into the video. They look so cute. Oh my god. So today is Sunday, August 25th, and like I said earlier in the video, I want to clean the house before we leave on such a long vacation. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. On today's schedule, I want to clean, shave, pluck my eyebrows, do my derma roller, which is like a micro needling thing to help fade my acne scars. Oh, and then I also have to wash my hair because I have a hair appointment tomorrow. I'm getting knotless braids, and usually I do my braids myself, but this time around, I wasn't feeling it. Like, me doing my braids myself takes me like 2 to 3 days. 2 days if I'm like, you know, really into it, put in a mad work both days. So yeah, I kind of just wanted to chill out this time around and let somebody else do my hair. Cleaning segment, I kind of wanted to start with the kitchen and work my way into like the living room, our bedroom, bathrooms, and then lastly, my gaming room upstairs. Okay, so we're finally done cleaning downstairs, and the last room I'm gonna be cleaning is my game room. On surface, it doesn't look that bad, but I know there's dust because I have not cleaned in forever. And if you watched my last vlog, then you know that I am building Astro Boy. This is how far I've gotten. I don't think I'm gonna finish it before vacation, so I'm probably just gonna put that somewhere. This was from, I made like a congrats to the giveaway winner for the blind boxes. That's where that was from, but then this was like a mess up because my handwriting is horrible. So I'm just gonna clean this up and then Clorox wipe, dust. This is how she's looking. She's looking very cute, very clean, not dusty. Come on now. I finished cleaning and I kind of want to get into like the maintenance portion. Like I know I did my nails, but I'm about to like pluck my eyebrows real quick. And I'll be getting like a random hair like underneath my chin. So let's get that bad boy. And also shave my mustache. Finally done with that, but at what cost? Like I haven't plucked my eyebrows in so long, so I kind of forgot like how bad that hurt. I was going through it, let's say that. Like you literally did exactly what I wanted. Hey you guys, okay, so I'm back home and we're done with my hair, as you guys can tell. Did you like the little photo shoot that we did at the end? She was like, oh my god, your hair looks so cute, let me take some photos. So it's like, okay. It's way more fuller compared to when I do my hair, which I like. And I just wanted it like waist length. I didn't want it any longer. So I got medium and I absolutely love how they came out. The braids are kind of like bigger than how I usually do it. I usually do them like super skinny. I feel like I'd be having that boneless look, low-key. But yes, I definitely wanted to get like a more fuller look this time. And I think she did amazing. I'm gonna link her stuff, like her Instagram and all that stuff. She was super sweet. My appointment was at 9 a.m. and I finished at 1:30. She was really like zooming through it. Like she was doing her thing. And the conversation was flowing. Like she was low-key mad cool. We were talking about so much different stuff. I'm probably gonna go back to her again to do my hair. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I feel like it's definitely on the stiffer side right now just because it's fresh, it's the very first day. But when it starts like loosening up, I think that'll be really nice. Like in the back of my head right now, it's just a little tension, but you know, that's normal when you get your hair done. But yeah, so now we're basically ready for vacation, y'all. Got my nails done, hair done. I shaved yesterday, plucked my eyebrows, and cleaned the house. I didn't do the micro needling thingy because I was lazy. But yes, this is what we've gotten done. Also, patty cakes, can you guess where we're going? Comment down below what you think. It's actually 2 places. That's all the hints I'm telling y'all. If you made it this far into the video, I hope you enjoyed, and see you guys in next week's video when we're actually on our trip. Okay, bye, love you guys.